Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see the best project management software for small businesses. Without further ado, Trello is one of the best project management software options for small businesses due to its simplicity, flexibility, and affordability. Here's a brief review of why it stands out. Trello uses a Kanban-style board system, allowing users to organize tasks into lists on cards visually. This makes it easy to track progress, prioritize tasks, and collaborate effectively. It has a drag and drop functionality, which is highly intuitive, requiring minimal training for team members to get started. You can adapt Trello to suit various workflows, whether it's for task management, content planning, sale pipelines, or product launches. Trello excels at team collaboration by allowing members to comment on tasks, tag each other, and share updates in real time. Notifications keep everyone informed about changes and deadlines. Trello integrates with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, and it offers a robust free plan suitable for small teams, for businesses that need advanced features like automation or large file attachments. So, Trello is an excellent choice for small businesses due to its ease of use, flexibility, and affordability. It's particularly suited for teams looking for a straightforward and visually way to manage tasks without being bogged down by complex tools. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.